Hey there, so the team over at PETKIT sent over their VACUBE for me to try out and give you my thoughts on it. Let's take a closer look at how it operates and how to use it, as well as some of the components, so you know how to use it to see if it's a good product for you. So the first thing I did was I washed and dried the bottom container really well before I put any food in it. Next, what we need to do is we need to actually turn on the vacuum because it comes and it's turned off. To do that, you want to take the vacuum itself and turn it counterclockwise and then take it off. On the bottom, there's an off and on switch. So of course, we're going to turn it to on. It's now on. So the vacuum comes off, and on the other side of it, we actually have our charging port. So you've got your charging cord here and your dock here. So you just need to plug it into an adapter and keep that charged up. To put this back on your lid, there's some notches here as well as notches here. You just want to line those up and twist it clockwise to put it back on. Once it stops, you're good to go. On each side of the PETKIT, there are buckles that are latched down. Lift those up, take this off so you can put in the food. This orange piece is the seal. We're going to put it back on and we're going to lock these buckles back down. So for the vacuum sealing, you're going to press the vacuum seal button twice. And you want to start by pushing here in the middle just until it starts vacuuming for about 3 seconds. Now let it vacuum. Once the vacuuming is done, the blue light will flash 3 times, followed by 3 buzzes. The vacuum seal is complete and everything's good. If this needs to be charged, at this point you can actually take it off to charge it and then put it back on. The instruction manual has easy cleaning and maintenance instructions, as well as indicator lights. The orange and blue lights mean something different, but it's clearly written out here if you're charging it or if there's a problem. To depressurize the container before you open it, you just want to take this plug here and open it. Once the hissing sound is gone, you are good to go. You can take your lid, undo the buckles, open it up, and get your kibble or your dried food to feed your pet. I hope this helps you decide on if the PETKIT VACUBE is a good product for you and your pet.